Hello, beautiful souls. Today we're going to create beautiful decorative mandala wall plate with universe background. I'm not going to talk much here, but you will see step-by-step process, and I'm going to give a few important tips for this type of creation. Get ready. First, clean your plate with alcohol so that the surface has no dust. Dotting tool is not primary tool today, but sponges and extrusion cone. With sponges, we will do universe background, and with cone, we will draw our mandala. You can watch this short to learn to create cone easy. First, I'm going to pour some paint on plate, some purple, blue, red and white, but you can read the list of materials and tools in video description too. I will use sponge to create universe. The sponge should be wet but well drained, and it's also very important to use different or clean sponge to dab each shade so that the colors do not mix and then you get a real mess and not desired design. Now I will draw a pattern with chalk pen, freehand. You can draw any kind of mandala you want, of course. You don't necessarily have to follow my design. Random center, approximately here. And now drawing. This is how my mandala will look like, and when I finish with it and the color is dried, I will wipe away chalk pen guides with wet wipe. And now the cone. Now I will show you how to use it. With these 3 fingers, we gently squeeze out the color. Our fingers determine how much color will come out. Gently squeeze to get these dots. And when we want to create a line, we'll lightly press the cone and simultaneously drag the line. Slowly press the cone with fingers to squeeze the paint out while you draw the line. I will place few brush strokes to the edge of these petals in golden shade. If you're interested in tutorial on brush strokes, comment below and I will create a video just for you. I'll add some golden color on the edge. Give a bit of sparkle in the center. And a few dots here and there to enhance the whole design. Splash with stardust. Voila! If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my work.